Okay, so very good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am here somewhere near to Electronic City, stuck very badly in the traffic. The time will be around 12 to 12:30 only, but you can see the traffic is like hell, man. So, guys, the plan for today is going and getting a back box installed for my bike. Actually, so I'll be going to JC Road. Somewhere around 7 to 8 kilometers from here. So guys, I just met Gladia here and we had our lunch together, and now we are heading straight to JC Road for finding out the back boxes, and most probably Amal bro also will be joining with us, so he'll be joining with us on the way only. So guys, let's go. Guys, we were checking out this shop here in Wilson Garden, Bike and Biker. So they having all kind of branded back boxes available here actually. So not only back boxes, they also having the jackets which are available, and tank bags which are available, and some other bike accessories also. So what we are planning is we will check out other shops also before coming here, because they having back boxes which start with 5,800 rupees and which is not available at this point of time. So what we'll do, we'll go look around the shops and come back. We will see if we can find some back boxes with reasonable price, with a better quality and all that. So I'll see you. The reason why we are going to JC Road now again, we could find the right piece in the bike and bikers, but still I'm looking for something which is cheaper. Guys, after Bike and Bikers, we came here Adeshwara bike arena, something like that. It's near to JC Road actually, so we could find back boxes here in a very good price. So I'm actually planning to get it from here. So not only back boxes, guys, there are all varieties of helmet available here, jackets, and there are a lot more. I'm going to show you now. Guys, I'm here with this shop owner, Kushal. So he will explain you what are all the items available here and the price range actually. So I can tell you that here we are getting things for the first price range. Yeah, Kushal.
We have helmets like the brands like LS2, LT, HGC, SMK, AGV, Nolan. So we have almost all of these brands, all international brands at one place. Second, our price range of helmets will start from 3,300, and we have a range till 52,000.
Okay. 52,000.
Yes. And then
I think people are more interested in about the back boxes.
Yes. Yeah. And then we have some accessories like these rare boxes. So this would be like. We are one of its type of dealer who keeps stocks of this, and they are of the best qualities. You can actually this is like break proof. So heavy load also, it is like 99% it won't break.
And will it come with a warranty?
There's no warranty as such, but we have some tests which we have done with the box, which doesn't vibrate till 120 kilometers per hour. So all that stuff happens.
Think about that or
Yes,
always.
And there are some cheaper versions like this which come in brands like studs, but they are removable. Yes, that is not removable. This is removable. Second, they shake after 60 kilometers per hour. These studs.
We don't want that to happen.
Refer to. Then we have some.
And the price range for this?
This is like they start from 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah, a little expensive according to the market, but yeah, it is worth the pay.
Okay.
And we have in that till 15,000.
And if you need more volume to fill in it, we need to have more. The price range will be a little different.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's about it, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna. So very good evening, guys. We are still at this Adeshwara Bikers Arena, and already we choose our boxes actually. So I opted for 36 liters box, and Amal opted for 50 liters box, which can actually fit two helmets very easily. And we really got these two things for a good price range actually. I got it for around 5,800 bucks, and he got it for around 8,000 something. So I feel it's a very good price actually what we can get these boxes for. And guys, that's all about it actually, and I can really tell you a confident opinion about these boxes probably after a couple of months only, because for now these boxes are absolutely fine, fantastic, quality is really good, and it's a good build, and it's a removable box. So I feel I have a good opinion about it for now. And yeah guys, that's all about it. We'll be roaming SP Road for some time for getting some electronic items and all, because after a couple of weeks we are going for a 5-day trip, and we required a few items actually, like Bluetooth headphones and all actually, which we are going to purchase for now. So once again, very good evening, guys. We are still here actually. So the time is 9 p.m. and we are all set, as you guys have seen actually. And now we are heading back to our home. And hope this video is really useful for you guys actually. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, share,
and comment.
and do whatever you want, my dear friends. See you guys.